Are Forex trading courses worth it? Forex trading courses can be valuable, but their worth largely depends on the quality of the course and your individual learning needs. There are several advantages to taking a Forex trading course. For one, courses often provide a structured learning path, making it easier to understand complex topics. They are usually designed by experienced traders who can offer valuable insights and strategies, saving you time by curating the most important information and presenting it in an easy-to-digest format. Additionally, many courses offer access to a community of traders and additional support, which can be helpful for networking and getting questions answered. High-quality courses often cover a wide range of topics, from technical analysis to risk management. However, there are also some downsides to consider. Some courses can be expensive, and there's no guarantee of success. Not all courses are created equal. Some might be outdated or offer poor quality content. Furthermore, there are many free resources available online, including articles, forums, and YouTube videos, which can be just as informative. While courses can teach theory, practical, hands-on experience is crucial for success in Forex trading. When choosing a Forex trading course, it's important to research the instructor's background and trading experience. Checking reviews and testimonials from other learners can also provide valuable insights. Ensure the course covers the topics you're interested in and offers up-to-date information. Some courses offer a money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied, which can be a good safety net. Additionally, some platforms offer trial periods or free modules to give you a taste of the course before committing. In conclusion, Forex trading courses can be worth it if they offer high-quality, up-to-date information and are taught by experienced professionals. However, it's essential to do your due diligence before investing in a course to ensure it meets your needs and expectations. Combining a good course with self-study and practical experience can provide a strong foundation for successful trading.